In this presentation, we'll explain the concept of generalization set. Sometimes it's difficult to decide how to define the specializations of a supertype because different partitionings are possible. Take the example of vehicles. If you look at the transportation medium, you would have a partition like this. Vehicles are either land, water, or air vehicles. But if you look at the presence of an engine, then you have a partition like this. Vehicles are either motorized or not. This example illustrates how in certain cases a single concept can be partitioned in two different ways. In UML, the concept of generalization set provides a way to group specializations into orthogonal dimensions. Each group is represented by a generalization set. There are three different notations to represent generalization sets. First, by putting a name next to the generalization relationship lines. That name designates a generalization set to which the specialization belongs. All generalization relationships with the same generalization set name are part of the same generalization set. Second, two or more lines can be drawn to the same arrowhead and labeled by a single generalization set name. This is called the share target style. The classes that share an arrowhead are part of the same generalization set. With either of these two notations, if there are no labels on the generalization arrows, it cannot be determined from the diagram whether there are any generalization sets in the model or not. Finally, a generalization set may be designated by drawing a dashed line across those lines with separate arrowheads that are meant to be part of the same set. Here, the generalization set is labeled with a single name instead of each line labeled separately. With this notation, the label may be elided without compromising the meaning of the diagram.